Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to enhance your home and garden. Today, we're diving into one of the finest options for anyone looking to add a touch of style and elegance to their outdoor space: the 6.5-inch Tuscan ceramic green scroll planter. If you're in the market for the best ceramic outdoor planters, this product will surely catch your attention. Crafted with a timeless Tuscan design, it brings the charm of the countryside into your home or garden. The vintage floral pattern on this ceramic planter gives it a rustic, yet refined look that makes it an ideal addition to any outdoor or indoor setting. With its unique green hue and intricate floral detailing, it perfectly complements a wide range of plants, whether you're showcasing vibrant flowers or elegant greenery. Made from 100% high-quality ceramic, the planter is built to last. It's not just about looks. This planter is durable and designed to withstand the elements, making it a perfect option for long-term use. Its size, 6.5 inches in width, length, and height, is versatile enough for small to medium plants. So whether you're displaying it on a table, porch, or in a cozy corner of your garden, it will fit right in. One thing to note is that this planter is designed for indoor use and does not come with drainage holes. However, the sturdy ceramic construction ensures it holds up well without any risk of cracking or fading, even in more humid environments. This makes it a great choice for those who prefer low-maintenance decor with a natural touch. Its vintage charm, combined with practical design, means you can create the perfect country chic look with ease. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this planter offers a wonderful opportunity to personalize your space without much hassle. Plus, it's an excellent choice for those who love the aesthetic of floral patterns but want something that will remain fresh and vibrant all year round. The Nearly Natural brand has over 75 years of experience in crafting high-quality faux greenery and home decor. Known for its attention to detail and commitment to excellence, Nearly Natural has designed this Tuscan ceramic green scroll planter to be a standout piece that will elevate the look of any room. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best ceramic outdoor planters, the 6.5-inch Tuscan ceramic green scroll planter is a must-have. It brings the perfect combination of elegance, durability, and timeless design to your home. Visit the link below to check out this beautiful planter and bring the charm of Tuscany into your home or garden today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more in-depth product reviews like this one.